Hello, today I'm going to tell you about Icy's great world adventure. It is a great story. It all started when I was flying over the Sahara Desert in my magical ice bucket, when suddenly a gust of wind started to make the ice bucket start crash landing. It was horrible, and I didn't like it, especially in the hot sun, because I'm a solid, and solids are their molecules are bunched up, and if you add heat or energy, the phase changes of matter can change. Right now I was a solid form, but how long? Now welcome to the molecules page about solids. When you are a solid, your molecules are all bunched up. As you can see in this photo, all the molecules in this ice cube are bunched up, and they are vibrating close to each other. As I was wandering through the Sahara Desert, the sun was really intense. But suddenly, I looked behind me, and I saw a pool of water following me. It was me. I was melting. I was at my melting point. The heat increased the energy, and the energy was making me change into a liquid. Welcome again to a molecules page about liquid molecules. Molecules in a liquid are more spaced out, as you can see in the photo. These are molecules in a liquid. They are still vibrating, but faster, and they're more separate when they vibrate. When I was walking around in my liquid form, I stumbled under a rocket, and the rocket was starting to take off. I was right under the heat, and the heat was making me start to evaporate. I was turning into a gas. I was really scared about that, but I stayed until I turned into a gas. Welcome again to another molecules page about gases. Molecules in a gas are very far apart, as you can see in the photo. Thank you. As a gas, I was very unhappy. When I started to float out of my pizza place where I just ate a pepperoni pizza, it was scrumptious, something weird started to happen. I started to stick onto the wall. Condensation had hit me, and I was turning back into a liquid. As a liquid, I knew that if I wanted to become back in a solid, I would have to lose energy. And lose energy would mean to lose heat. To lose heat, I knew where to go. Home. Back to the south. I flew with my magical ice bucket back south, where I actually started. I was hoping to go to my island. When I landed a few meters away from my house in Antarctica, as a liquid, I started to suddenly start freezing. I was turning back into a solid. I was becoming back Icy the ice cube. I was at my freezing point. So this was the story of Icy's great world adventure. He went through the phase changes, solid, liquid, and gas, then back from gas to a liquid to a solid. The words that I used were solid, liquid, gas, freezing, melting, vaporization, condensation, molecules, energy, heat. So, what we learned today was that when you add energy, which is heat, you can change the phase changes from a solid to a liquid to a gas. Or you can do it backwards. Take away energy and you can get from a gas to a liquid to a solid. Thank you for watching!